Hey everybody, I have an unboxing video for you. So I just received this rather large box from British Monroe. So there is new supplies in here. Some of it is for my design team projects. Some of it is new stuff that I ordered to play with. And then some of it is restock items and some of it is candy. So this box is pretty big. I don't know if you can see, like it's probably, hold on, I'll tell you. It is 7 inches tall and it is jam-packed full of stuff. So I'm going to unbox this with you and let's see. There's a couple, we'll pull some of the stuff out off the top and just see how far we get, and then I'll take stuff out and show you. So first of all, I got a cute little card. Homemade card from our design team manager lead, Candy. So super cute. And then there's Candy, because Candy. Now, I went through this box first and everything was wrapped like individually with like brown paper and bubble wrap and all that kind of stuff. So everything stayed separate and nothing was like, it wasn't literally just like thrown into this box like this. But I didn't want you guys to have to deal with the noise. So I took all that out and then I just threw it all back in. So first things first, Candy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so for those that don't know, British Monroe is actually two companies. So there's British Monroe, which is all the crafty stuff, and then there's Scoozy's Candy Company, which if you go to their store, it's attached to their store, but they also have like, and you can buy candy on the website. And they have like some of the best candy, like Japanese Kit Kat bars, which are in all different colors, all different flavors. So this one is like chocolate ganache. There's another one that I've had that was like strawberry, there's lemon, all kinds, but you can only get them from Japan. And so Mr. Amazing, Christopher, we can get them at Scoozy's. Here's another one. These are, okay, so these are called flower flavored Skittles. Super curious what this tastes like. I just don't even know. And I can't even read you what the flavors are because it's not in English. Then I got caramel creams, artificially flavored. Of course, honey, but I really probably didn't even need to like, I don't know what these are like either. We'll try them. I will let you know. I know what these are like. So these are gummy cherries from Scoozy's, and I love Scoozy's gummy candies. Like, they're so good, you guys. They have the best gummy candies. Logan will attest to this. How amazing are the gummy candies that come in these little containers? The gummy candies?
Good.
So good. Okay, so then we have all of this. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of this box and I'm going to kind of separate it between like brand new things that are part of the new release and then things that are my favorite and restock items and things like that. So let me come back. Plus, Andre needs to bark, so, you know, it's a good time to come back. So the brand new release at British Monroe is called Groovy Darling, and it is so cute. It's got that like 60s flower power vibe, and I have a lot of it here. A lot of the products. So a lot of these products are going to be bundled together and be part of my live crafting for Make It Monday with Sarah. So if you want to see anything in particular, how it is used, like a more deep dive into any of these products, just show up for Make It Mondays in April and you'll get to see them. So first we have 2 paper pads. So this is the Orange Glow paper pad. Here are all the different patterns. So cute. I love this one for a specific reason you'll see in a minute. I love this one. I love the flowers. They're so cute. I just think they're adorable. The second paper pad that is brand new for April is called Flower Power. So I'll give you a peek at this. Super cute and fun. Lots of just different. That is my love of Brutus Monroe. Everything is so, all their releases are completely like different and out of the box. Not something you see every day, all the time. And their products always like really spark my creativity. Like I'm like, what can I do with this? And I love it. So those are the two brand new paper pads for April. Then there is a new embossing powder called Lava Lamp and a new glitter glaze called Motel Sunset. The glitter glaze, we are actually just going to go ahead and work with this on Monday. So this video is going up Sunday, April 7th. So Monday, April 8th, we're going to be using this gorgeous glitter glaze. Okay, next we have stencils. So I'm going to actually go to the bottom, go grab this one because I want to show you. See this pattern paper right here with all the little squares? There is a layered stencil. So basically, if these aren't the colors you're really wanting to use, but you want this pattern, you can use the layered stencil and create it however you want. It's so cute, right? So that's the layered stencil. The other stencils, this one is called Ring of Fire. And this one is called Sunset. I think this one's really pretty. I think these are both really cool. I love stencils like this where you have like a center point, right? So you can stencil this, but then you can put something really cool like right there. So really love that. This one is interesting. This one's called Urban Jungle. I'm a little bit like, this is one of those things that I'm just not quite sure how I'm going to use it, but I will figure it out in some way. I think it's awesome. I think it would be super cool on a card because I think it would really look like a piece of art depending on which, like what mediums you used or what colors you used or how you did it. I think it could be super fun. But I haven't nailed down an idea yet for this one. And then the last one is called Geo Leaves. And it is so cute. I love this. I love this. This has that like mid-century mod feel that I am just all about. And I think it's awesome. Okay, then we have washi sheets. This is called Free Spirited. Again, I just love all these flowers. Like all these cute little daisies and all the shades of orange. So cute. And then we have, this is the die of the month. It's called Silly Strips. I'm super, super interested in seeing how this can be used. So Christopher over at Brutus Monroe, he goes live Tuesdays and Thursdays. And one of his lives is always like all about how to use the die of the month. And so I am super curious and kind of waiting for his live because I'm not quite sure how, like there is something really awesome you can do with this die set. I absolutely know it. I just need to see it, I guess. And then we have all the stamps. So I have 4. Now there are more than 4 new stamp sets in the release. I just chose these 4. So there is this one, this Good Vibes one that I want to color in the absolute worst way because the flowers with the faces. I also love this one. I also love this one. I also love this one. And this butterfly is adorable. I love that 1, 2, 3 of them, the 3 in the pots, the faces separate because you know what? Sometimes I don't want faces on my inanimate objects and I just want to color regular. Like I think these are cute and I get like the kind of the cartoony feel of them, of the flowers with the faces, but I also know myself, and while sometimes it's nice to kind of lean into that, I also really like not having faces on inanimate objects. So, you know. This is called Puppy Heart. This is probably my favorite, seriously. The little sentiment says, heard you had a rough day. I love it. I love this one, you guys. This is my favorite. As soon as I saw this, I was like, this is the best. So cute. Then we have Gorgeous Butterflies, which I also love. You know that I am all about beautiful butterflies. I also love this font and these sentiments. So it says, celebrate today, hello gorgeous, and you make me smile. I love it. Love that one. The last one I received is called Brighter Day. I need to play with this one. I'm a little bit like, not sure how I feel about it. And it has these two sentiments. You make my day brighter, and thank you for sharing your world. I love the sentiments on this. Very, very much love the sentiments. I am just unsure about the icons. Not that I don't like them. I'm unsure about them, if that makes sense. So we're going to pop that one over here. And then the next thing I got was just some of my absolute favorite things, favorite British Monroe products that I am almost out of or low on. So Perfect Blend. This says alcohol marker cardstock. For those of you that don't know, I rarely, if ever, color with alcohol markers. But there are other amazing things you can do with this paper, and I do enjoy it. It is a lower weight than like the Not Your Mama's. So it's a little bit thinner, but it's a really nice paper. It's just really, really nice. Cardstock, ReStocks, Poison Apple, and Lunch Bag. I go through Lunch Bag almost as much as I go through Not Your Mama's. And then another pack of Alabaster cardstock, which is the 100-pound weight cardstock. This is really, really, really nice cardstock too. So these are all different kind of just reorder things I use all the time. I also got some Squeaky Clean Matte Mist, the unscented, because there is a floral scented one, but it makes my nose run like crazy, so we don't go there. Okay. Wait, there's more. This is like a huge unboxing, and I am just going through all of this stuff really quick. So when it comes to the new products, come to Make It Monday, because they will all of that will be part of bundles, and we will be playing with it through April. The next thing I have is, these are items that came out that I just have been waiting to purchase and hadn't purchased yet. So I grabbed them. These are all newer, of course. So Glitter Glaze, April Showers, beautiful like blue color. And then, you guys, I'm so obsessed with the Creative Confections from British Monroe. Like, obsessed. I love these things. I've already done a Make It Monday with these, and I will try to do a process video using these Creative Confections so you can see them, because they're so, so, so pretty. And I accidentally bought 2 blueberry swirls. So, I do that from time to time, but that's okay, because I really, really, really love these, and the jars are tiny. So there's also strawberry and raspberry, which I already unboxed and have used before. And there's elderberry, but the elderberry is not available. It's out of stock right now. So I got blueberry, actually got 2 of them. And this is not how it dries. I think that's the most important thing to say. It does not dry like this. In fact, let me show you. Here's a sneak peek at a project. And I will show you, this is the raspberry. So in the box, so inside the jar, this is the raspberry. Inside the jar, it looks like this, right? But when you put it on and dry, it looks like this. So totally, totally, totally different. And I love these Creative Confections. They're amazing. Okay, so that's the blueberry. Then we have cantaloupe. And I'll show you, but honestly, this is the huckleberry. But it doesn't look like that. pineapple, and pistachio. So gorgeous. I also went ahead and got the brand new spring aqua pigments. These are in the new, this is my first, this will be the first time using the new bottles since they redid them. So there is pixie dust, citrus burst, fresh mint, robin's egg, spring daisy, and cottontail. And these are the opaque aqua pigments. So they're they have that smooth, almost more of like a paint kind of look to them when they dry. So those are the 6 new spring colors. I do like these bottles. They're smaller, but that's okay. Because, and they're plastic, so they're not gonna break or just go crazy, or, you know, they're not gonna break. That's the important part. Okay, so the next thing I got was this. Okay, so this is a use it all the time, must purchase. A2 card bases from Brutus Monroe are my hands down favorite. I love them. I was the girl that always made my own card bases until I started using these, and now I'm obsessed. And then, what else is in here? Acetate, another thing that is just necessary, needed, and I was running way out. The rest of this is, okay, so this is from, this was like a mini release called Rainy Day. It was so cute. So I got the Cloudy Skies washi sheets. I got 2 of the washi sheets, which gives me 4 sheets, but I really like it. And so look, they're like infinity, so you can put them up against each other and they will match up. So they're really good for 12-inch scrapbook pages. Chipboard rain boots. Love, love, love. Brutus Monroe's chipboard. The Up in the Air cutting die, so basically just a set of these 3 cute clouds. And then the creative cards. I really think these are pretty, and I'm super excited. I really want to get my art journal out. I have in my head been planning out a couple of art journal pages using this collection and using the creative cards that were released last month in March, and they're lovely. Okay, so that is my haul. It's so huge. I cannot wait to get started. Be sure to come back on Mondays at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I stream here and to the Brutus Monroe channel. We're going to play with all these new goodies. It's going to be so much fun, even if you scrapbook and you don't do cards, because I always, whenever I do the lives, I'm always like, yes, I'm using this to make a card, because honestly, I don't know that I could get a 12 by 12 scrapbook page done in an hour, but I also talk about all the different ways you can use these same products on your scrapbook pages. So I think that's it for now, except I have to tell you something very quickly. So I went ahead and I opened the flower flavored Skittles because I had to, right? And I will tell you right now that they're interesting. They're good. They kind of just taste like sweet perfume, which I know doesn't sound good, but I was pleasantly surprised. They definitely taste florally though, which is odd, but not in a bad way, if that makes sense. Anyway, in the description box below, I will link to the store. I have so much stuff in this haul that linking up every single project I got, or every single product I got, would be ridiculous. So I will leave an affiliate link in the description box. It will go right to the store, so you can fast forward, go back. If there's anything in the shop that you're like, I can't find this, leave a comment for me below and I will get you a specific link right to that product. Okay? All right, everyone, have a wonderful day and I will see you again soon. Bye.